Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Mr. English Learning Center. This is the place where learning English feels simple, natural, and enjoyable. I'm Jessica.
Hi, Jessica, and hello to all our amazing learners joining us today. It feels great to be here again. How are you doing today?
I'm feeling wonderful, thank you. And you?
I'm great too, totally ready for a brand new lesson.
Perfect. And before we begin, everyone listening, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Yes, and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. It really helps us grow.
It truly does. Thank you so much. So, Mike, what are we learning today?
Today, we're diving into something extremely useful: daily life routines.
Daily life. You mean the things we do from morning until night?
Exactly. These simple moments are great for practicing natural, everyday English.
I love that idea because it's something everyone can relate to. So, let's start at the beginning, the morning.
The perfect place to begin. Jessica, tell me, what's the very first thing you do in the morning?
The first thing I do is wake up.
Wake up. Great. What time do you usually wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Nice. And after you wake up, do you get out of bed right away?
I tried to. Sometimes I stay under the blankets for a minute or two, but then I get up.
Same here. The bed is too cozy sometimes. So after you get up, what's next?
I go to the bathroom and wash my face.
With cold water?
Yes, cold water helps me wake up instantly.
Great idea. I do the same. And then comes something very important.
Brushing my teeth.
Absolutely. I brush my teeth every morning too.
So, after waking up, getting up, washing my face, and brushing my teeth, then I get dressed.
What do you normally wear?
For work, I usually wear a simple t-shirt and jeans, something comfortable.
Nice. For work, I usually wear a shirt and pants. Simple but neat.
Once I'm dressed, I'm ready for my favorite part of the morning, breakfast.
Ah, yes, breakfast. My favorite too. What do you have for breakfast, Jessica?
I like eating cereal with milk. It's quick and easy.
Good choice. And do you drink anything?
Yes, I drink a cup of tea. I love tea.
Interesting. I'm definitely a coffee person. I drink coffee every morning.
Do you drink it with milk?
A little milk and 1 sugar. And with my coffee, I usually eat toast. Sometimes with butter, sometimes with strawberry jam.
Toast with jam is delicious.
So your breakfast is cereal and tea. Mine is toast and coffee.
Right. And after breakfast, the real day begins.
Yes. After breakfast, I go to work.
Same here. How do you get to work?
I drive my car to work. It takes about 20 minutes. What about you?
I take the bus. The bus stop is close to my house, so it's very convenient.
That's great. Do you listen to music on the bus?
Always. Sometimes music, sometimes a podcast, maybe even this one.
Good choice. So you arrive at work. What do you do?
I work in a shop. I'm a shop assistant, so I help people choose clothes.
That sounds fun. You meet many people every day.
Yes, I do. I enjoy it. What about you?
I work in an office. I spent my day writing emails, talking on the phone, and working on my computer.
Much quieter than my job.
Definitely. And then after all that work, it's lunchtime.
Yes, around 1 p.m., I get hungry. I usually bring a sandwich from home. Cheese and tomato is my favorite.
A classic. I sometimes bring food from home, but usually I eat at a small cafe. I order a big salad or soup, especially on cold days.
Healthy choices. And of course, drinking water is important.
Absolutely. I always have a glass of water with lunch.
After lunch, it's back to work until 5 p.m.
Same for me. And after work, time to go home.
Yes, I take the bus back home. Do you drive home too?
Yes, but sometimes there's a lot of traffic. Many cars on the road.
That's why I like the bus. I can read my book.
That's a big advantage. So you get home. What's the first thing you do?
I change my clothes and put on something comfortable, like leggings and a soft t-shirt.
Nothing better than comfortable clothes after a long day. I do the same.
Then I relax on the sofa for a few minutes. I check my phone or just sit quietly.
Sounds peaceful. After I relax, I sometimes go for a walk in the park near my house.
A walk? That sounds lovely.
It's beautiful. Trees, flowers, people. It clears my mind.
I should try that more often. So, after your walk, it's time for dinner.
Yes, I like cooking simple meals. Pasta with sauce or chicken with rice and vegetables.
Yum! I love pasta. I often cook vegetable soup. And when I'm tired, I make a big cheese omelet.
Perfect quick dinner. Do you watch TV while you eat?
No, I like eating at the table and listening to quiet music.
Nice habit. I sometimes watch the news while I eat.
After dinner comes the best part, free time.
Yes, I usually read a book. What about you?
I normally watch a movie or a TV show, and I also like calling my family to talk about our day.
That's wonderful. As the evening gets later, around 9 or 10 p.m., it's time for the night routine.
Yes. First, I take a warm shower. It helps me relax before bed.
Interesting. I shower in the morning, but I understand the night shower feels nice too.
After my shower, I brush my teeth again and change into my pajamas.
Same here. Pajamas are the best. When do you usually sleep?
Around 10:30 p.m. What about you?
I go to bed around 11 p.m. Getting good sleep is important.
Absolutely. Then I turn off the light and sleep.
And the next day, we do it all again.
Exactly. We used very simple English today. Easy phrases anyone can use to talk about their daily routine.
You can say things like, I wake up at 8, I eat rice for lunch, or I watch TV in the evening.
Simple sentences are powerful.
This was a great conversation, Jessica.
I agree, Mike. Talking about daily life is one of the best ways to build confidence in English.
Before we go, thank you all for joining us today.
Yes, and please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Learning Center and share this video with your friends and family.
We also have a question for you. Tell us in the comments, what do you eat for breakfast?
Do you eat toast like Mike, cereal like me, or something different?
We can't wait to read your answers.
All right, everyone, that's all for today.
Goodbye and see you in the next episode.
Take care.